Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily, and on today's Mini Daily, my trousers are falling down. Great, on today's Mini Daily we are going to be tackling the quarter panel on the Mini and finally getting it on, and we can finally start making some good progress with this. I am super excited to get this quarter panel back on. It's the last big panel to go on the car. Then we have the two sills and the rear valance and that mess at the front, but we won't talk about that. This car is so close to being solid again. I really need to get this car on the road by next summer, but there's always other projects. We'll bring you in and let you have a look. Right, so basically the plan here to do is I'm going to, this has all been prepped. There's a new section being let in there. That I can deal with when the quarter panel is on. So what we're going to do is we're going to just treat some of the rust along here and along there, and we're going to slap this quarter panel on and call the job done. Now there's a little section I have to make for it here. I was debating on whether to do it before or after. I decided I'm going to do it after the quarter panel is on. I have to make two kind of really dedicated cuts, which are here, and this one's done. You can see the line of where I have to cut to. It's kind of a case of commit and do. We can always add back in later. So we shall get our new friend James out, and we'll give this a go here with all the ginger dust and clear out the bottom of that door bin and stuff like that. And we'll go from there. Now, as you've seen on the Morris video, this is cure rust that's in that. My mate Danny Hanley told me to do this. It seems to be working so far because I can't find a paintbrush and I want to get this stuff done. Yeah. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Let's get this quarter panel and see how it fits up. That's lining up with my old marks there. So that is the last bit that I have to cut out. And I have to commit to cutting this as well. I'm not particularly looking forward to doing that. But hey go, it has to be done. Can always fill it up with weld anyway, so I'm just looking for a marker. Right, I've left this on time lapse for you just to see how bad that panel fits. It's awful. So what we're going to do now is, it's roughly mocked up. It's going to take a while to do that again. So we'll pop off all the vice grips. We'll plop her onto her belly over on top of the bonnet, and we'll scotch the whole inside. We'll get it in primer and get it in some paint. We're going to drill some holes in it as well. Actually, we'll do that first. That way we can fill the little holes well through primer and it'll all be good. And what do we do then? Yeah, after the primer then we shall call it a day. I'll go get some colour. I have it coloured and all for when I'm refitting it. Then you can join me. As I said, I'll do 2 welding videos, one on that and one on the Morris. Right, my dumbass actually thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So basically, we're after going the whole way around this with a punch, like this, the jogglers and a punch, and we're after putting holes all along there. Now the next job is I want to scotch the inside of this, degrease it, and get rid of that sticker as well. So I'll stick these on the time lapses. Now, scotched brake cleaners. Now we'll get a bit of primer on it. Right, so we've given that enough time to dry off. So I'm just going to lash some grey primer over it. Don't stop screaming at me. I can hear him. Buddy of mine's a spray painter. Professional one, not a half idiot like me. And of course Rick is a spray painter as well. So all eyes are on me. Now, we'll call that done. Right, what did everyone think of that? Good start made in the quarter panel. Next time you see it, it'll be in colour. And what we'll do is, we'll have the mortise ready and we'll have that ready to weld, and we'll just mash up and do one episode of welding. We'll just be fast forwarding about a 10-minute video, and that'll be 2 items ticked off, one massive item ticked off on the MPI. So join us in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share amongst your friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.